This video will be on how to use cPanel. cPanel is where the main server or the main site is located. So this is basically where the final version of the website is. So suppose that I want to add something or edit something on the main website. What I would do is I would go under Files, and under Files, this is all of the files that are on our server right now. And what most of the files that you will be editing and working with, if you're on front end at least, will be under public HTML, as this is what the user interacts with. And under public HTML, there are all these different categories and folders for what's on our website and everything. And let's take, for example, I want to go into adventure writing. These are all the files and folders under adventure writing. The styles and scripts and the index, and then the anime.min.css. I'll get to that later in a more advanced video, and there are these images. Suppose I want to, let's look at that site again real quick. Let me quickly open it up. Okay, so here is the site, and suppose that we want to say, oh, this is saying 25, and on the actual website I wanted to say 24, but there's no need to go into GitHub and do it because it's a minor fix. So what I would do is, instead of going onto GitHub and doing all these things and going through a little complicated process, what I would do instead is go on the file, right click edit, and I would find that 25 right here, and I would change that to a 24. I would save my changes, and I would just reload this website. And in theory, this should say 24, and that's how you would enter, that's how you would change things on the actual site. But how do I upload onto cPanel, and how do I perform my functions and tasks here? One thing to keep in mind about cPanel is that it's not user-friendly in terms of adding large and multiple files. So let's just say, just for example, I want to enter adventure writing all over again. So I'm going to delete these right here, and I'm going to go into upload because I already know I have these on my computer, and I would then go on. Hold on, I'm going to continue this in the next video. I'm running out of time for the time limit.